Uh, Hello guys, this is Rapid Egg MG build. So it's a build, bro. It's a build. Oh fuck. So it's a build. Wonderful cowboy hat, and then patchwork, and then fragile redstone, sniper scope, outdoor glasses, blood chalice, pistol pop pellets. It's actually pretty good. But if we go for the skin, it's kind of actually pretty bad. Delicate, sharpshooter, chicken, nari is ace. But if we go to defense, Tangus base.
Ay, puta, magkaano ako?
So here's the build. Oh my gosh, my freaking head. Okay, so I just freaking laughed. But that's good, you know. This, but don't use push them on it, only use blood germ. So that's the build. Bye.